Today we are finally going to find out which finish actually deserves the hype. My clients often ask me which finish they should choose for their furniture, and usually those suggestions are based on what the manufacturers claim. Let's see which one survives. Today I am testing 3 finishes: oil, lacquer and epoxy. The lacquer manufacturer says it's resistant to everything. Well, we're about to check that. Oh, and I got some comments about the AI voiceover in my last video, so this time I'm talking myself. Tell me which one you like more, AI or my voice. For the test I have vinegar, vodka and a metal cup. A hot cup, probably the most common real situation at home. I choose a metal cup because it heats up faster. I pour boiling water into the cup and place it on the surface, and leave it for 10 minutes. Okay, oil survived. I thought it would be the first one to fail. Lacquer survived too, the manufacturer can relax. Epoxy, nothing happened. Sorry, I mixed up the finish names, but since nothing happened, I hope you are not mad at me. Alright, moving on. Pouring vinegar, 1 bubble drop on each surface. And do the same with vodka. After 2 hours I saw that absolutely nothing happening. So I warmed them up with the hairdryer to help evaporate faster, and now something finally happening. The tape got wet and stopped sticking, so I just retaped, ignored it. The first candidate for the Nobel Prize, lacquer. Honestly, it looks pretty good. From the vodka, just a tiny stain, but in real life you would probably never notice it. Next candidate, oil. Now things get interesting. Both vinegar and vodka left marks. I don't know about you, but I couldn't live with a stain like that. That stain would haunt me every night. Epoxy doesn't give a damn about these tests. So, lacquer actually has a real chance at survival. Oil. I personally wouldn't choose it for a heavily used surface, unless you enjoy refinishing it every month. To be fair, oil isn't that. It has its own nice qualities, just not for surfaces with a lot of moisture or vodka. But I am not satisfied with these results. I think these tests were too easy for these samples, so let's bully these samples a little. None of them survived that. I think you are not doing this at home. I hope. In the next video I'm putting these samples under the water for 24 hours to see what happens. If you like this kind of video, let me know in the comments and don't forget to hit subscribe. See you in the next one.